divide 3 1/4 divided by 1/4. Whenever you divide a mixed number and a fraction, the first thing you want to do is turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. How do I do that? Well, multiply the 3 that lives out in front to the denominator of 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Take that 12 and add it to the numerator. 12 plus 1 is 13. That 13 becomes your new numerator. Your old denominator of 4 is going to stay that way. Now, drop down divided by, drop down 1/4. Nothing changes there. Now, what does happen next is whenever you divide two fractions, you're going to use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? That means keep the first fraction exactly the way it is, change the division symbol into a multiplication symbol, and flip 1/4 into 4/1. Now, there's a little trick. If you notice that when you're multiplying two fractions and one of your numerators is exactly the same as one of your denominators, you can cross those out and pretend that they're ones. So now I have 13/1 times 1/1. So when multiplying fractions, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 13 times 1 is 13. 1 times 1 is 1. And 13 divided by 1 is easy. It's just 13. And that's going to be our final answer.